match function. The function of his body will, now if his body at any time decides to pull all that up, great. But again, to have somebody sit and go, this is bad, this is good, this measurement, quantify, this is what it should be. Did they make you? If they made you, I'll get behind that person saying that. If they didn't make you, then these standards that they're holding you at, as far as structure and what it should look like and time frames and all this other stuff, don't apply. Okay. So I hope that settles the arches debate. Okay. Orthotics then will be a solution. We kind of already talked about it. It'll be in the Q&A too. I'll go to there. A structural fix because somebody said you aren't made well and your body's adaptation and healing response, which we'll say is negative and dysfunctional, we're going to fix. And every time you fix, go ahead and focus on how are you living? How are you prepared to manage this life? And what does the body look like when it gets there or as it's going to that point? It looks like what it looks like. I just showed you that I had collapsed arches or arches. What are my arches? I don't have any idea. I don't care. All I know is I damn well better be able to stand on my foot for 20 minutes, and I damn well better be able to create a massive amount of force in all these positions. And I better be able to know my body and you understand it, what my arches are, what our arches are.